Welcome to lesson tutorial. This is a simple guide for you to answer the online learning for ICT subject. On the top of the page, I will provide you with lesson objective. For instance, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to name the place. And this is the step guide for you to follow to. Number 1, type your name. Number 2, choose a correct class. Number 3, name the place. Number 4, select a correct answer. You need to submit your lesson before the date stated here. And another one, when you see the red star here at the end of the words or text, it is required for you to fill in or answer the question, just like this. Okay, let's start with the name. Let's say your name is Ganesh. Okay, and you're in year 3TT. And this is the first question. Choose a correct name for this place. Look at the picture. There is 4 options here. Choose only one. And on the right side of the question, you will see how many total marks that you will get from this question. Okay. Second question. What do they use to learn? Look at the picture again. Choose one answer. Let's say you choose it as projector. And before you submit the lesson, please take a review. Recheck your answer. And when you think everything is okay, then press the submit button. On the second page, you will see there is a view score button. And when you click the view score button, it will give you a feedback from your previous lesson. Okay, the total mark that you get from this lesson is 2/4. And you get it right for the first questions. And this is your mark. Unfortunately, on the second question, you got it wrong. And it will provide you with the correct answer at the bottom of the question. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy the online learning or the e-learning. So please stay safe everyone and stay healthy. Good luck.